What's going on YouTube? Today we're looking at the Lefant M320 robot vacuum and exploring why it's smaller than any other robot vacuums in the market. Spoiler alert though, it didn't skip leg day because it just doesn't have legs.
Stop it. Get some help.
Let's dive in. First, the small and compact size of the Lefant M320 is a major advantage. It fits nicely anywhere at home and cleans tight corners with ease, providing more comprehensive cleaning coverage. It's like the ninja of all robot vacuums, silent and sneaky. What? The compact design allows it to navigate and clean areas that maybe larger vacuums can't reach. It's like having a miniature cleaning superhero in your home without the cape.
Damn!
One of the standout features of the Lefant M320 is its advantage obstacle avoidance technology. It uses PSD ranging technology through infrared sensors reflection to judge distances accurately. It's like a robot vacuum version of Spider-Man's Spidey senses. This technology optimizes recognition sensitivity for objects that aren't very light reflective, like black or transparent items. The M320 has 11 sets of sensor lines, each covering about 60 degrees, providing at least 190-degree recognition field of view with no blind spots at the front. It's basically got eyes everywhere.
Nice.
It can accurately identify objects larger than 1.5 centimeters and higher than 5 centimeters, slowing down at 10 centimeters and turning to avoid them at 4 centimeters. It's like the vacuum has its sixth sense for furnitures. Compared to robot vacuums using laser navigation, which only recognizes maybe 80 to 800 degree range in front and have large blind spots on the sides, the M320 is much more efficient at avoiding obstacles. It's like a Jedi with superior peripheral vision. M320 also boasts an integrated body patent. Unlike other vacuums with collision plates that can only recognize objects directly in front, the M320's full machine body recognition increases sensitivity, reducing the chance of getting stuck. It's like the vacuum version of all-seeing eye. This design also increases the vacuum's service life by avoiding the wear and tear associated with collision plates and allows for a more compact machine body. It's like giving your vacuum an extra long retirement plan. Another great feature of the M320 is its vacuum brushless socket inlet. Its design provides greater suction power compared to traditional roller brush models, which rely on brush pressure. It's like the vacuum has been hitting the gym for extra strength.
Sana all.
The vacuum suction inlet prevents hair from getting tangled, reducing the need for manual cleaning. No more hairball nightmares. It's a tangle-free zone. The transparent dust box is another user-friendly feature. It allows you to see the suction power and the status of the garbage inside, making it easy to know when to empty it. It's like having a window into the vacuum soul. Wow! Now, with an 800 milliliter capacity, it can hold more garbage, reducing the frequency of emptying and helping to prevent the breeding of bacteria and cockroaches. It's like a black hole of dirt.
Yeah, boy.
The Lefant M320 also innovates in floor mopping. It uses a magnetic mop support, allowing you to use various disposable rags as mop cloths, which is environmentally friendly as well. It's like a Swiss Army knife of all cleaning. Now you can use a new mop cloth each time and easily dispose it after use to avoid unpleasant odors and bacterial growth. Now say goodbye to sticky mops forever. Now the app is super impressive as well. It can map out your house. You can have the M320 clean the whole area in a arranged form or randomly. You can have it along the edge only, or you can have a spot focus as well. Now the best part that I like about this is it's the easiest to control because you can use manual controls from the app. So basically you can use the app to control your vacuum. So if you want to clean a certain area of your home, you just need to control it with the app and you'll be able to do it right there and then. You can control this as well with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. And for those of you who are worried of cleaning the vacuum, it's super easy to use and clean. So I wouldn't worry about it. I'll show you right now. It's super quick. It'll take 2 seconds and your vacuum will be happy again and you'll be ready to go to clean the next room. Lastly, the M320 ultrasonic carpet detection is impressive. When the magnetic mop support is not installed, it increases suction power on carpets. When the mop support is installed, it avoids carpets to prevent them from getting wet. It's like having a vacuum that respects your carpet's personal space. Overall, the Lefant M320 is a compact, efficient, and innovative robot vacuum that stands out in many ways. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable cleaning companion, M320 is definitely worth considering. It's small but mighty, just like your favorite sidekick. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more reviews. See you next time. Peace.